Hey guys, for today and tomorrow we are staying in Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, and even it's the day after Christmas, so it should be a little bit more magical.
Martinique Building, which is preferred. And what is this? Building 26.
By the way, if you haven't subscribed, and if you don't subscribe next Christmas, you're getting only cool.
Okay, so this is, we have a corner room. We don't have a view.
Wait, this
is room 2641, so we just see the parking lot. Even though this is a preferred room doesn't necessarily mean a preferred view. It just means location. We're right next to Old Port Royale. 2 queen beds, fan, a little nightstand. Brandon, who's that there?
This, by the way, if Dylan will get up.
Dylan, get up so we can show the 5th sleeper. Oh, who's there?
That I'm sleeping on. It's Mickey.
Aw, Mickey and Pluto.
Everyone's where we stay on. It's always Mickey.
Last time we stayed here was also Mickey.
It's always that Mickey.
Yeah. Okay. So, a little coffee station. Oh yes, my creamer and the best coffee on earth, Joffrey's. Okay. So it has drawers here. Okay. Nice drawers. See if there's a mini fridge there, Brandon. Like a cooler. What are you guys doing? Check if there's a little cooler. Open from the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay. How's your head, Brandon? Okay.
We can.
Double sink. Closet area. Ironing board. Again, you hit your head? Wow, what's wrong with you guys? And a
Shower.
bathtub. Okay, so room is nice and spacious for a family of 5.
And guys, that is it for the room tour. We'll try to post as many videos as we can later on the trip. Later, taters.